the studio quality over there. Because, welcome back, Team DWC. It's your boy TWP Popcorn. Y'all already know what time it is. It's like 6 p.m. on a Wednesday. If not, it'll be 10 a.m. on Saturday and Sunday. Because, those are another day in paradise. AKA another time to come check out your boy. Hey, if you don't know when I'm live, you're tripping. Hey, consistent corn in that building, and that's what we do around here. You see what I'm saying? That's what we do around here. I don't know if this is gonna work properly for this because it already looks like it's glitching on me. Shout out to the tech problems because they're our number one subscriber. You dig? They subscribe to try to keep me off my bullshit. Hey, I appreciate it because somebody got to hate on me. It won't be me. You dig? I'm out of my own way. Shouts out to being out of your own way because if you don't know about that part of the game, you're really in trouble. Anyways, today we got some videos, video topics, and all that good shit to review. Some shit that I'm gonna sit here and talk while we smoking and working. But you know how we do. We gonna do it though. You see what I'm saying? That's what we here for. You know what I mean? Shout out to the replay gang. Ain't nobody in here right now but me. And so you know how the story begins. Fuck everybody but me. Let's get to these vids, not vits, vids. So you all out of order. That's not even the first video. Shouts out to the first video. That second one sound is a little bit off because I recorded that short at work. Yeah, shouts out to putting in them shorts while you at work because somebody got to do it. And let's go to the intro beat from the big homie. Shouts out to DJ Is. Y'all know to go check him out. Why does it look like it's super zoomed in? There we go. Need a full screen.
And what's on your all day living nightmare? Welcome to Benzo Hemp. Unlike alcohol, benzodiazepines or benzos are prescribed by doctors, although they're also sold on the streets. But as you'll soon see, the street versions, which are oftentimes counterfeit, can be dangerously contaminated. For decades, society and much of the medical world seem to ignore or underestimate just how dangerous and terrifying benzos could be when they're stopped abruptly. And taking one of those so-called chill pills with brand names such as Xanax, Klonopin, Valium, or Ativan is often talked about in a lighthearted way in the movies or on TV. But chill pills, in fact, are not to be messed with. Like alcohol, they work on the GABA system, so indeed they chill you out. But also, like alcohol, your body gets used to being in chill mode. So when you stop and you have a dependence, your body keeps trying to make you switched on. You become tremendously wired, maybe not